Hello, YouTube! Welcome to my Min amiibo unboxing. My Min amiibo unboxing. Yes, my Min amiibo unboxing. Been quite a while since I did an amiibo unboxing. Since October last year, I believe. Since October last year, I believe. I could be wrong. I could be wrong on that, but yeah. Now the Metroid Dread one came out. It was the last one. What? Min? Let me just get that from focus. Min? Min. Flip it around, get Min back in focus. There we go. Min. And I probably can't see it and it's probably fuzzy. But that's Min on amiibo. Yes, Min. Brilliant! Okay, everyone, I'll see you all in the next video. Let's play my Nintendo Switch Sports. Let's play part 1. Okay, everyone. Bye!